Hey everyone, so I know this looks completely different. Puppy, don't be peeing. So this is basically my new bedroom. Not really, but it actually looks pretty good. This is kind of my new bedroom. I've always wanted to move here, but this cage and stuff is over there. Anyway, so today we are going to be trying 3 different chocolate Kit Kats. So the first one we have is a regular one. Sorry about that. So the very first one is the regular one. Then we have a white chocolate one. And then we have dark chocolate. So this is different compared to the regular one. Hang on, I'm gonna move you to like a better lighting. Okay guys, so I'm back and I got all the chocolates. So I hope this is like a tad better. So the very first one I'm gonna be trying is the regular one. Now this is normal, and I'm gonna save a couple so I can taste regular. So what I'm going to do is just break it in half. Okay, that should be good enough. I have no clue what that is. So let's just get started with number 1. I'm gonna try. Okay, normal. I forgot. What are you doing? Hang on. I have no clue what this little guy is doing. I love you. I love you, Zeppelin. Why don't you go on the floor? I don't trust you. Go on the floor. Okay, guys, so I know the regular Kit Kat thing. Okay, so first we're gonna try this one now, white chocolate. I love white chocolate. Oh my god, it's chilling behind me. I don't know. Okay, I can't get this right now. Whatever. So we're gonna try first. Jeez, try white chocolate first. It's really hard. Like uneven. Okay. What are you doing? No, you're not getting on my bed. Okay, that tastes really good. Which one is better? Is probably this one. I like this one just a little bit better. Are you shaking because he went in the pool? Guys, he went in the pool and he's shaking now. Okay, now we're gonna try the dark chocolate, which I hate dark chocolate, which I don't know if I'm gonna like this one, but we'll try it. Okay, there we go. Ugh. You're not getting on the bed. I hate dark chocolate so much. Okay, this is the difference of the color. Okay, got that done. This is disgusting. Hang on, I had to bring this in here. That was so gross. Yeah, that was from like 4 hours ago. Not in the fridge. Okay, so this. So I guess the winner. Hang on. Okay. What are you doing? I found you. Hey guys. So today, I'm going to be trying all these chocolates. Actually, don't do that. No, you'll die. No, don't do that. So, I guess, let me try this one. I spilled everywhere. Okay, so the winner is of these Kit Kat thingies, I guess you have to say. The winner is, oh jeez, okay. The winner is this one, the white chocolate Kit Kat. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, what are you eating? Is that chocolate? Spit it out. Zeppelin. Oh my god. Spit it out. Is that chocolate? Oh. Oh no. Like this big of a piece. Oh my god. Now he's shivering. Okay, what's going on? Are you okay? Oh my god, look at him. He's like shaking. Is he okay? Oh, he's shaking. Okay. I don't know what to do. Okay, well, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Please pray that my 2-month-old puppy will not die. Yeah.